Honour members, let me say this on my left, both aisles. I will not entertain noise. I will not entertain childishness. Don't try me. I want seriousness in the house. Order. 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 Let me say this. Order. Let me say this. I was relaxed last week as being the first week. Do not take that as my weakness. I am here to do parliament business. I am not here to play games. So let us do business as matured, honorable members and respect the House. If you have a point of order, simply stand up, I'll recognize you. But talking while another member is talking will not be entertained by me. Thank you. Mwanza